UltraGlass 9H Plus Privacy Screen Protector for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Unbreakable, invisible armor for your phone. Are you ready to elevate your iPhone 15 Pro Max's privacy while shielding it with military-grade protection? The UltraGlass 9H Plus Privacy Screen Protector delivers the ultimate in shatterproof, scratch-resistant, and privacy-enhancing technology. With an ultra-narrow 25-degree privacy angle, this innovative protector ensures onlookers see nothing but a black screen, giving you complete peace of mind while enjoying an Ultra HD viewing experience. Say goodbye to unwanted peepers and hello to true privacy. When it comes to durability, UltraGlass reigns supreme. Made from 9H Plus tempered glass, this screen protector is 7 to 8 times stronger than ordinary glass, ensuring your iPhone 15 Pro Max is shielded from scratches, drops, and daily wear. It's tough enough to pass military-grade tests, including 220 pounds impact, 8 feet drops, and 10,000-plus scratch tests, making it the most robust protector on the market. With UltraGlass, your iPhone gets a second unbreakable screen that withstands everything life throws at it. Forget the hassle of bad installs. UltraGlass features revolutionary auto-dusting and adhesive technology for easy, bubble-free installation. In just seconds, you'll be ready to go, with zero fingerprints or stains. The Oleophobic coating repels oils, ensuring a clear, smooth, and clean screen every time. It's effortless to use and maintains that pristine, flawless look for longer, so you can enjoy your iPhone without worrying about annoying imperfections or frequent cleanups. But it's not just about durability. UltraGlass delivers an invisible layer of protection that blends seamlessly with your device. The 3D curved black edge ensures full coverage of your screen's delicate corners, while the anti-glare and blue light blocking technology promotes eye comfort and health. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching videos, this screen protector enhances your visual experience without compromising privacy or clarity. Plus, you get 2-pack protectors for double the peace of mind. UltraGlass stands out because it's more than just a screen protector, it's an investment in longevity and performance. Stronger than ever, with longer lifespan, it's built to last 1 to 2 years, and its AB silicone edge ensures a firm, lasting grip on your phone. If you want the best protection, privacy, and ease of use, UltraGlass is the go-to option for iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Don't settle for less. Give your phone the protection it deserves and enjoy a cleaner, safer screen.